Okay, today is Wednesday, March 3rd, 2021. We're at 3222 Ravenwood in Ann Arbor. As you can see, we're at a cast iron T. Dan had to take the plug out. As you can see, our T has quite a bit of buildup around it where the plug seals. And the plug had leaked after Dan had left. You can see we have some water puddling on the floor here. I'm going to show you, it's hard to see, but you can see the water meter on the front wall. There is a storm and sanitary clean out there. They are recessed a ways below the floor. We will try and seal this plug up as best we can. It is very possible that the T may need to be cut and actually replaced with some PVC to actually get a plug that seals. But we're here today to do a diagnostic video. Dan cable to clear a blockage. We're going to televise out to the city main. As you can see, this is cast iron. You can see we have quite a buildup of scale. You can see this Y probably picks up the stack at the other end of the house. This line definitely needs to be descaled due to the ridges of scale. You can see here we hold a slight amount of water as well. You can see our camera here is riding up on the side. You can see we drop down. You can see here this is probably our main clean out. You can see here we have a Y. This is possibly the Y that picks up the bathroom. We have a second Y that's the kitchen and laundry. As you can see, the cast iron here past the main clean out also needs to be cleaned out. Here you can see we changed to the 4-inch clay tile. You can see we have a little bit of calcite buildup here. You can see we hold just a slight amount of water in the sewer, but our camera is above it. We are not running a centering guide. As you can see, we have a lot of chunks of the scale from Dan cabling that's actually laying in the line. As you can see, the clay tile looks in pretty good shape. We have no infiltration. You can see here we have another joint with a little bit of calcite buildup. And here you can see is our turn down, and you can see here we're actually looking right at the city main. We will go ahead and pull back at this time. We will actually take pictures of the other two stacks. One stack is by the laundry. This stack is just past the stairs in the main room, and there's a second stack past the stairs as well. We believe a recommendation at this point would be descaling from the laundry stack over to here, and then from here to the clay, and then also descaling from the other stack to prevent any type of buildup of toilet paper and anything that would cause a backup. We will go ahead and pull back at this time. We will continue our recording. Again, we would descale out to this point. As you can see, we do have a rail of scale here as well. This is what causes paper and waste and everything to cause a backup. As you see, the clay tile looked in pretty good shape. When we descale, we would also go ahead and do the cast. This very well could be our storm tie-in here, as we have storm and sanitary. Cleanouts by the water meter. Again, we would highly recommend descaling from all stacks, as the cast iron probably looks the same. And again, this is the actual clean out tee where we would recommend cutting out and replacing this with PVC. As you can see, we have probably enough pipe here to where we could cut it and put a fern coat where we wouldn't have to break up the floor. I'm going to show that on video again. As you can see, if we cut just below the tee, we could put a fern coat and a fern coat up here and a PVC clean out tee. This will end our recording.